Hey Tubies, this your girl Red, just coming to you with a quick update video to let you all know that I will be coming back to YouTube really soon. I've been gone for quite a while, yes. Been going through a lot, dealing with a lot, and I just took more than enough time from YouTube, enough that I did lose my partnership. So yeah, so no, I'm not a YouTube partner anymore, but I do thank you for those of you who have stuck with me and are still my subscribers, and those of you that still follow me and still keep in touch with me and in contact with me and everything. I have a lot of videos coming out. Excuse my little tear right here. It's the middle of the day. I've been cleaning and cooking and babysitting. I got my niece for the weekend, so pay that, no, never mind. But I do have a lot of upcoming videos coming. I got a lot of DIYs, several hauls, videos that I could have been doing. I just honestly hadn't even been thinking about really getting back on here really until recently. So have a lot of health videos that I will be doing. I'll be talking about certain health issues and other things that's going on and been going on. And I'll be doing those videos individually as opposed to summing them up all in one. I'll be doing them separately. So look out for those. And yeah, got all that coming out. I'm not even worried about getting the partnership back. I'm just really want to just get some videos out there and continue to make new friends. I've subscribed to a lot of new people, and I made a lot of new YouTube friends and things like that. And also we'll be doing a Christmas card share. Even if you don't want to send me a card back, that's fine, but I will be sending out. I have a whole list of people that I will be sending Christmas cards to. So if you want to send me a card or a gift or anything back, I will be sending a card and maybe a small gift in there with it, just to show my appreciation. It's to some of my friends, some people that I'm subscribed to. They might not even know I'm subscribed to them. But I'll be doing that. So if you want to do that and you don't have my address, just message me on Facebook or send me an email, or you can connect to me through YouTube, however. And if I send you one, feel free to send me one back. Either way. So yeah, so I think a lot of people are doing that, and that's something that I've thought about doing. So I think that's a nice thing to do. So, and it's very cheap. You know, a card, you can get a box of cards and get a pack of candy and send like a piece of flat candy, or sticker it up, or something just really cheap to do. And I think that's a good idea. So I'm on with that. So yeah, so just look out for me. New videos, new things coming. So yeah, so thank you. See you guys later.